Let's go ahead and hear from the next Israeli innovator, Davik. They are located in Kibbutz Sde Boker, right in the Negev desert, an expert in adhesives and integrating agricultural knowledge with adhesive expertise.
Davik self-adhesive tapes, established in 1982 by a group of pioneers, members of Kibbutz Sde Boker, home of the legendary first Prime Minister of Israel, David Ben-Gurion. Davik, specializing in production of self-adhesive tapes, innovative company that was one of the first to produce the known printable tapes and the carry handle tapes, with variety of products such as double-side tapes, freezer tape, splicing tapes, and more. We invest in many resources in developing unique adhesive formulas according to customer needs with R&D department of specialist chemical engineers. More than 50% of our product exported worldwide to more than 30 countries, such as USA, Germany, UK, South Korea, Japan, Canada, Australia, and more. Davik.
After more than 3 decades of successful packaging activities, we have decided to use our capabilities and know-how in both adhesives and farming and to develop Catchy. Catchy creates an alternative for pest control in greenhouses. It uses a unique adhesive and traps efficiently flying insects. Catchy by Davik. Perfect solution for your crop.
And let's hear a little bit more about what they do. Marina Arshavsky Rosental is Global Marketing and Sales Manager at Davik with 20 years experience in global markets. So welcome, first of all, Marina. And can you sort of describe this unique product, I think you have it with us, for greenhouse farming that you've developed?
Yes, of course. Well, this unique product has born while integrating between two main qualities. Expertise in farming and also Davik know-how in adhesives. The product is called Catchy, and it is exactly what its name implies. It catches flying insects. It actually represents the perfect alternative for both monitoring greenhouse crops and for insect pest control, and all in a single product. Catchy is used to both monitor and control the pests, and it remains sticky for up to 6 months. Catchy is it is based on a long-term outdoor adhesive, developed, of course, by the Davik Sde Boker, and it is applied on both sides of colored roller sheets. It can reduce actually the number of insecticide applications required during the season, and thus it can help to reduce chemical residues on crop. And this way, the food is much safer for consumption.
So tell us a little bit more about the technology itself, because you mentioned 6 months it stays sticky.
This is a perfect question, but I would like to address it to my colleague, Jonathan Hennan, a scientific and agronomic director. So here it is, directly from the field.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Hennan, and I've been in the crop protection business for close on 37 years. Catchy is based on the scientifically proven visual attraction of insect pests to specific color spectrums. Luckily, a relatively wide range of insect pests, including whitefly, aphids, thrips, and fungus gnats, are all drawn to a distinct yellow color, while blue mainly attracts thrips. In addition, insects are also attracted to certain darker patterns on the colored backgrounds, as in the printed logo Catchy on the sheets. The roller sheets can be hung or set up in various ways: horizontally along the rows, vertically from the wire trestling all the way down to the drip irrigation pipes every 10 meters along the row. And another alternative, as you can see here, is to set up the sheets along the perimeter of the greenhouses. It's very important to set up sheets also at the entrance of the greenhouse to prevent infestation and new insects coming in.
Marina, so the product seems to be pretty versatile. Who exactly do you think it's best suited for?
Well, indeed, the product is very versatile, and it is very convenient for farmers, both flower and vegetable growers, and also for medical cannabis production. It is especially designed for easy and simple setup and under multiple growing conditions. The design is based on practical experience of Israeli farmers, and this is one of the major factors we took into account while developing this product. Maximum convenience for setup and customer experience. And the product is practically suitable for any farmer growing indoors, in greenhouses and in nurseries of any kind. It can also be produced in various sizes, 10, 20, 30, 60 millimeters wide, according to the farmer's need. The product is tested under diverse climate conditions, including in the harsh conditions of the Judean desert. Yeah. And we really believe in this product. And I hope that you all can visit our plant, which is actually placed in a flourishing island in the middle of the desert.
Marina, thanks so much. And it's, once again, we see a kind of technology that really addresses the needs that we've heard from several African nations, which is something that can be done small scale for smaller scale farmers without a whole lot of complicated bureaucracy around it. And in this case, making food safer to eat, which I think is something that everybody around the world wants. And don't forget, Improvate is all about these practical exchanges, exposing Israeli tech innovators like Davik to governments and companies around the world to promote businesses who are all about innovation and actually helping countries develop into the future. And the exposure right here at this conference is just the first step. It'll be followed by delegations, real business connections, as you've been hearing about.